When you need to source a replacement engine for a GM vehicle, you don't want to take any chances because your reputation is on the line. You need to have confidence the replacement engine was assembled using the same procedures and high quality parts as the original. GM Genuine Parts OE engines for Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Cadillac vehicles are made to the same exacting standards as the original engines. You can also find OE engines for Saturn, Hummer, Pontiac, and Oldsmobile vehicles. Depending on the application, you can purchase either a remanufactured or new engine. GM Genuine Part engines are a precision machine to OE specifications. Many internal components are replaced with new parts that meet the exact specifications as the original. This is important for modern GM engines with multiple timing chains, variable valve timing components, and displacement on-demand lifters. Don't settle for almost. It matters where the engine is manufactured or remanufactured. GM Genuine Parts OE replacement engines are manufactured at partner facilities that follow practices set forth by GM. Before each engine is shipped, it is thoroughly tested to meet GM's OE standards. Engines come with a 36-month, 100,000-mile limited warranty. When selecting a replacement engine for a customer, you need to be certain that the engine you are installing will not leave the customer stranded or your shop doing the same job twice. With GM Genuine Parts engines, that confidence is built in. For more information, visit gmgenuineparts.com with appropriate site link to powertrain. Thanks for watching.